Sheriff's Department! Show me your name! Get out! Get outside! Get on the ground!
It's in my car. It's in my car. No. No, I got car.
Power protects when used rightly, but turns oppressive when abused, as shown in the arrest below.
Get on the ground! I said get on the ground!
Oh, wow! Oh my goodness!
We'll make sure this one's up.
I did not do that like that.
Okay, that's fine. Do you mind if I
I
check
didn't
your
do
okay.
that.
I'm asking you permission to check inside your vehicle.
Sir, I didn't.
Today, let's uncover how seemingly harmless moments can suddenly spiral into a legal nightmare. A routine investigation suddenly turned into a human rights disaster.
Hands behind your back! Get on the ground! I said get on the ground!
Oh, wow! Oh my goodness!
Hey, let's do a safety sweep of this house.
Yeah, let's,
Okay.
On September 3rd, 2020, officers from the San Diego Police Department went to Ronald Martel's home to investigate a domestic violence incident. However, what unfolded was a chaotic and troubling situation.
Ready? Not yet. Just try to pop.
Yep.
Go for it.
Sheriff's Department! Show me your name! Get out! Get outside! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Yes, sir.
50-1, we got him inside.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not being aggressive.
Get on the ground! I said get on the ground!
Oh, wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh my goodness! Yeah, right, dude.
Hey, let's do a safety sweep of this house.
Yeah, let's,
Okay.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
I'm gonna hold these stairs over here.
Said stop moving.
I'm not moving, bro.
Sheriff's Department, anybody inside, make yourself known!
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Dang, hey, stop. What the?
You ready? Yeah. Ready to get up, bud?
Yes, sir. Of course.
All right, roll on your side.
Yes, sir. Stop.
Roll on your side.
Stop.
Kick.
What the? I said stop.
This is not how it's going to be. Do you understand?
You want to get up? You want to walk out, or you want to get dragged out?
Yes, of course I do.
All right, we're trying to show you
Roll
some
to your
dignity.
side.
What the F?
Sit up.
Stop.
Sit up.
Stop.
Sit up.
Police failed to clearly state Martel's rights or the reason for his arrest, yet still used force, dragging, pinning, and restraining him, even though he showed no clear signs of resistance. But the incident didn't end there.
Oh my God! Stop, please. Stop, please.
Sit up.
I am.
We're going to drag you out.
I don't want to do that. Stop! What the?
Wrap.
Let's get a wrap.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come on, guys. Please.
He's not going to walk.
Let's have start bringing it up.
Come on, guys. Jesus. Come on, guys.
You got that shit up? Let me grab this list.
Guys, come on, guys.
You guys did? You need gloves or anything?
No, we're good.
No, please, come on.
You guys need...
Just a wrap. He's not going to go out on his own. And then if there's a car close, obviously,
Any injuries, man?
there's some blood around the hair somewhere. So
Guys,
You want to start taking photos?
guys, stop, please.
Officers continued to restrain Martel face down, a position considered dangerous and often prohibited due to the risk to life. Worse yet, they began treating him in a bizarre and unjustified manner.
I'm good, bro.
I know.
I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro.
Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you. I'm good, bro. You want to keep your hand on me, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to keep my hand on you.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
I appreciate your cooperation right now, man.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Go ahead, bro. Go to keep going, bro.
Relax.
I am relaxed. I am relaxed. You understand me?
This is you relaxed, man?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm happy. Yes, sir.
Hey, Grant, you got a spit sock over here?
I got one somewhere. All right, I want to roll him onto the side.
Yes, sir.
You got it situated in there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good job.
Yes, sir. I'm good. I am beyond quiet, sir.
All right, lift your head up for me, bud.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Coronavirus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Let's
sir. Yes, sir. You're right. 100%.
Why don't you go
I'm
over
gonna-
there?
Yes, sir.
You
You're
wanna
right.
roll
My
to
way?
you?
Yes, sir. You're
Yeah.
100% right. Okay.
When you're ready, and I'll shovel this under.
Yes, sir. You're right. 100%. I'm not gonna agree with you.
I appreciate that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Sit him up. Sit you up, man.
Yes, sir.
Onto your butt, buddy.
Yes, sir. Please don't pull me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let my partners just do their job real quick, all right?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. You're right. You're 100% right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They forced a spit mask over his face. Despite no apparent resistance, tensions escalated further as they escorted Martel to the patrol vehicle.
You're only
Help!
to hurt
Help!
yourself.
Please! Please help! I need the ambulance, please!
Stop fighting.
I need the ambulance, please!
The ambulance is
I
going
need
to
the
be
ambulance,
here.
please! I need the ambulance! Stop touching me!
Should we?
Oh my goodness!
yeah.
Please!
So,
Please
just
help
this
me!
a little bit lower.
Please help me!
Let's just carry him out.
Yeah.
Please help me!
Feet and then left and right.
Please,
or you
somebody
want
help me.
Back. I got back shoulder straps actually.
Please somebody help me! Please somebody help me, please!
Go ahead, Dave.
I need your help, babe! I need your help, babe! I'm being dragged out. I need your help, babe. I need your help, please.
Yeah.
Please, I need your help.
That's heavy.
Hey, it's hot.
Well, so,
Hey.
so let's just. No, they're gonna bring it down.
Let's move on the grass.
He's gonna go in the ambulance.
Yep, on the grass.
Please.
Yeah, this is shade.
Help me, please.
We'll go get photos.
Hey. Please help me. Please help me.
Martel repeatedly complained of chest pain, low blood sugar, and requested an ambulance, but officers allegedly delayed medical aid. This delay could be considered a violation of his right to emergency medical care.
148 for sure.
Don't pull me. Please don't pull me. Don't pull me. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Really?
There you go. They're trying to. Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on. See, that's why we're helping
please.
you. Because it hurts if you don't
Yeah,
listen.
There's a couple straps.
Yeah, I'm with
Come on,
you.
guys.
Get it out.
Please, come on, guys. Please.
We're just putting seatbelts on.
Stop, please. Thank you so
All
much.
right, so
Thank you, sir. Can you please stop, please?
Yep, you ready?
You in, we
Oh my goodness, can you please stop?
what do you want us to stop?
Strain in here tighter. We can actually loosen this if we need to lean them back, but I think that's better.
Yeah, him sitting up.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm rolling. I already had.
We'll drive your car to Grossmont, drop it off, and then I'll just come back.
Are we going to Grossmont, gents, do you think?
Yeah.
Alex, what's your plan?
What's your want, Dave? You want Dave to stay there?
Yeah.
Come on, guys,
Tell us what
please.
you want.
I don't think I want anything
Where do you
right
want me,
now.
guys?
I want to get a blood sugar,
want me-
and then I'm going to get him set up on the
Come on,
monitor.
guys, please,
If he
please,
pick up
please,
before
please.
these, and
Sir,
ask him to,
sir.
please.
Sir, please.
Who are you asking to do what?
439 anymore? People one.
Sir, can you please? Sir.
I'll be in AMR 439 and route to
No,
Grossmont.
sir. Sir, get me off here, please.
Relax.
Yes, sir.
No, we're taking you to the hospital, and you're gonna stay in this the entire way.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In San Diego, officers who abuse detainees may face termination fines of up to $4,000, 0 cents, or criminal prosecution under California Penal Code is 1472639.
Now I've heard it's even longer.
Guys, please help me,
They
please.
just want the beds, they want the space.
Guys, please.
They're going to keep the facility. I think this is going to eventually transfer to an urgent care, and then they're going to keep the hospital,
Smart.
and then they're going to keep some of the floors.
Hey, guys, please help me.
Smart.
In June 2022, Martel sued under Section 1983 for excessive force and Fourth Amendment violations. Though initially dismissed due to a prior conviction, the Ninth Circuit revived the case in September 2020 for finding the excessive force claim was distinct and could proceed next. A man was threatened with arrest simply for exercising his right to free speech.
Good on day, sir.
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
No.
Why not?
Because that's my Fifth Amendment.
You think it's okay to flip people off?
That's my free speech. That's free speech.
Is it?
Yes, it is. Supreme Court said that's free speech.
Sir, I need your license, registration, and your proof of insurance.
Did I commit a crime, though?
You committed a traffic violation.
That's not a crime, though. That's just a violation.
It is a violation, but you're also driving the vehicle.
Okay.
And part of that is when the police pull you over for a traffic violation is to identify yourself and show us your credentials for operating the vehicle.
Is that under threat of arrest? What do you need?
Your license, your registration, and your proof of insurance.
Okay. Oh, there it is. There's
Thank
license.
you, excellent.
All right. You need insurance? What else you need?
Your license, your registration, your proof of
All right,
insurance.
give me 1 second. Let me just...
What you got? You grab me that one.
Body cam's going?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll be getting those.
Okay.
All right, let me just put this here so I make it faster. Here's my insurance.
Thank you. Did you give him your license?
Well, ask him.
The man raised his middle finger while driving, a gesture protected by the U.S. Supreme Court as free speech. However, the officers still pulled him over without clear probable cause, seemingly because they felt offended. They deliberately muted their body cameras to speak privately and act prohibited during investigations. It seems like they were trying to hide something.
He gives me a ticket, I do impose on not ripping up in front of your face.
Okay.
Yep.
You can do that.
I can.
All right. Are you going to throw that on the ground or are you going to keep it with you?
Can't tell you that.
Okay.
So if it's on the ground, that's loitering. That's loitering to me.
Yeah.
I can get in trouble for that. I can tell you to keep the ticket too. They also gave out hand signals and driver's ed classes. So I don't know if that was what you thought. So if this has to do with me sticking my hand out,
I don't know. It's his stop. He'll tell it to you.
You can't just stop someone. You have to have probable cause to stop me. And me giving my finger out is free speech. So.
Despite the absence of any dangerous behavior, the officers cited the man for putting his hand outside the vehicle, a pretext likely rooted in personal offense.
I came to my house about 6 times. I got all the public records.
So, Mr. Atwood, as I explained to you, the reason why I pulled you over today was the method in which you gave a hand signal, okay? It is illegal to extend your hand from a vehicle.
You know in driver's ed classes, they actually give you hand signals?
Yes, you can extend your hand from a vehicle to do a hand signal that you were taught. What's that?
Just give me the ticket.
You couldn't what? Okay, so I'm just gonna let you.
Just give me the stuff.
I just gotta let you know a few things, okay? So you can either pay this. You can either. Okay, you don't have to talk to me, but yeah, I'm not asking you any questions. All right. So this ticket is an $86 pay-by-mail ticket. You're more than welcome to pay it by mail, or you can appear in court. If you decide to appear in court, you should go to 45 Broad Street, Westerly, Rhode Island. Do you have any questions for me?
Give me the ticket and go.
Do you have any
questions? Give me the ticket and go.
Sir, I'm asking you if you have any questions.
I don't have any questions. Give me the ticket and go.
All right, sir. You have an excellent day, okay?
Fifth Amendment range.
All right.
Goodbye.
All right.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much, sir. Please make sure you're adhering by laws.
Go first.
I'm sorry? You don't tell me what to do. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. Okay.
I can step out on the public sidewalk and put you off too.
Yeah, but then you'd be bordering the disorderly conduct statute, okay? All right. Thank you. Thank you.
The officer's actions may constitute violations of the First Amendment, freedom of speech, and the Fourth Amendment, protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. The man could rightfully file a lawsuit under 42 U.S.C. 1983 for constitutional rights violations under color of law when those sworn to protect use their power to punish free expression or deny urgent medical help. It becomes a moral failure, not just a legal one. A just society must defend human dignity, even when it's inconvenient.
I don't even know where your phone's at.
It's in my car. It's in my car. No,
I haven't been in there yet.
I'm so sorry. No.
Where's it at?
No, my gun back in the car.
All right.
No, my gun's in my job.
All right.
In Parma Heights, Ohio, the local police patrol unit spotted a man exhibiting suspicious behavior near a black Cadillac. When asked to stop and remain in place, the man appeared disoriented. Officers promptly checked his health condition and requested his identification to determine his identity.
Anything else is in there? Hey, dude, hey, relax. Hey, no. Out of the road, dude. Out of the road. There's no cars there. Hey. No. Do you understand?
Here we go. Check that.
What are you doing? Are you going to keep walking off on us? Okay. Stay here.
Stand him up so I can feel his waist.
You got an ID on you, man?
Sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
I do.
Where's your ID?
Dude, what's your name?
3-1, who's that plate? Come back to.
What's your name, dude?
You Deontay?
The man identified himself as Deontay, stating that he was an officer with the Cleveland Police Department and was asked to provide identification documents. The police proceeded to check the vehicle's license plate information to clarify the situation. During this process, they questioned whether he had been the one operating the vehicle.
All right. Andrew, come fix these cars. The Chargers, please. I got you. Put one here, and I leave one down there on the other side of the pole that's down, okay?
Yep.
You got anybody else in there, Eric?
I didn't do a pull down there.
Okay.
No, you want right through a pole.
No.
3-1.
No.
We have any caller info?
It's not me.
Okay, are you willing to do Phil? Because I'm going to ask you to. But I don't want to waste my time and yours. Are you willing to do them?
Do we know if they saw it happen or if they just saw the aftermath?
We are not letting you are.
Yeah, I'm not.
Are you going to do field sobriety? I'm not sure if they actually.
Okay.
Maybe we can reposition yours.
Yeah.
We'll do them right in this area between the cruisers here.
To assess whether alcohol or drugs were influencing him. Officers asked if Deontay was willing to undergo a field sobriety test. Additionally, they saw potential witnesses who might have seen the incident unfold. However, no one could clearly confirm whether the man had actually been driving the vehicle.
Come take a look at it, Jim.
Well, we're obviously going to wait for EMS, but we're going to be running this gentleman through SFST, so we're going to stop on the radio. I'm going to what?
Road makes me think there's a problem. I need to make sure you're okay and everybody else is.
All right. Well, we got to do what we got to do. He's not being cooperative.
No, I'm going to double check the bag because I don't want a firearm or something to be in there.
No.
I copy. Nobody saw it.
Do you have any weapons in the car? No guns, no knives, nothing's gonna poke us, stick us.
You know if I check that bag real quick? We'll make sure there's no weapons.
I did not do that right there.
Okay, that's fine. Do you mind if I check
didn't
your
do
vehicle?
that.
I'm asking you permission to check inside your vehicle.
Sir, I didn't do that right there.
Do what you got to do.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there, okay?
Sir,
if he's not being cooperative.
I'll let
No,
No, just do what you got to do.
Gotcha.
Okay? That's what we got.
While handling the situation, officers conducted a search of Deontay's bag to ensure there were no weapons or dangerous items. Although he initially resisted cooperation, he eventually agreed to let law enforcement conduct the search.
You're under arrest. Sit down.
I'm so sorry.
You guys are good? Hey, Deontay, I gotta let you know. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can maybe be used against you in court.
Can you just put the hat off on me?
No, sir. You have the right to have an attorney present before questioning if you wish.
Yeah, follow me up to
If you choose to answer questions now without an attorney present, you can still stop answering at any time, okay? If you can't afford an attorney, one can be appointed to you prior to questioning. I'm going to put the seatbelt on you, okay?
Thank you.
Deontay, before our ambulance leaves, you've got no medical issues where nothing's hurting you. If you answer my questions, I'll bring your hat with you. Do you have any head issues right now? Anything hurting you right now?
No,
Were you wearing a seatbelt?
You know what, sir? I'm so sorry.
I'm not mad at you. I'm glad you're okay. As soon as we get to the jail, there's a process I must get through.
I'm so sorry.
There's a form mandated by the state of Ohio I must read. I gotta give you the advice on that, and then once I give you the advice, it's gonna be your choice whether you want to take the breath test or not.
After gathering sufficient evidence, the police announced Dion to his arrest on charges of operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs. He was read his Miranda rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney before being taken into custody.
I was like up the street, like I didn't do that right there. Alright. Can you just call my girlfriend, please?
We can give her a call. I don't even know where your phone's at.
No.
Where's it at?
No, my gun, I couldn't call her.
Alright.
Well, my gun's at my job.
Alright. Alright, give me a minute.
I'm so sorry, yes, sir.
Your cell phone you found out? Yeah. I had to go through the center.
In Ohio, operating a vehicle under the influence is governed by Ohio Revised Code 40519, prohibiting driving under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or both. A driver with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or higher violates this law with enhanced penalties for a BAC of 0.17% or more. A first-time OV, a first-degree misdemeanor, results in at least 3 days in jail or a driver intervention program. A license suspension of 1 to 3 years, fines from $375.00 to $1075, and possible ignition interlock device installation. A second offense within 10 years leads to 10 to 180 days in jail, a 1 to 7 year license suspension, $525.00 to $1625 in fines, mandatory yellow DUI plates, and denied. A third offense carries 30 days to 1 year in jail, a 2 to 12 year license suspension, $850.00 to $2750 in fines, and mandatory addiction treatment. Ohio enforces strict penalties to deter impaired driving. Officers explain the procedures for testing blood alcohol concentration and his right to refuse a breathalyzer test. Under Ohio state law, Deontay was then transported to the station for further investigation and legal processing. The case is currently under review, and internal disciplinary actions against the officer may follow in the near future. Hey everyone, what do you think about the situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much. Police in Cleburne, Texas, blatantly disregarded the First Amendment, wrongfully arresting a Christian preacher on a public sidewalk. Their failure to understand basic constitutional rights is alarming. How can law enforcement officers be so ignorant of free speech laws? This abuse of power must not go unchecked.
This number though, sir. If we don't give you the ID, will you arrest us? Yes?
Absolutely, I will.
Okay, without an orders number, sir?
Yeah, at least.
You're interfering with my investigation right now. Remove yourself from my investigation or I'm going to put you in jail.
At least show us our ordinance. Why are you so hostile?
I'm not hostile.
Wicked in the sight of God. This is an abomination.
I need to see your identification or you'll be placed under arrest. You'll be placed under arrest. You're both making too much noise out here.
We have a compliance because we have.
I don't need to show you the code to arrest you on it. Now give me your ID or go to jail. Those are your two options.
The Bible says that.
Sir, I need to see your ID as well. You're making too much noise now too.
I
have.
And we're not using.
I'm telling you, I need your ID.
I'm not using amplification. I'm using my voice.
I don't care.
I'm exercising my freedom of speech, sir.
Right, I get that.
So you're gonna arrest me for exercising my freedom of speech?
You can't.
Excuse me?
It's in the Bill of Rights, the Constitution.
You're gonna arrest us
freedom of speech.
if we're exercising our freedom of speech on a public sidewalk on the east.
The problem is that we have a noise ordinance. Okay.
Yeah, I'm using my voice, sir.
It doesn't matter if you're using your voice. You can still be too loud. And people can still complain about this.
So
you actually were standing on the property here.
This is not.
I'm not going to argue the point.
This is an easement right here.
Your ID, sir.
There has to be an easement. The Bible says.
If I don't give it to
you, you're going to jail. Yeah. So what's it going to be?
In the lake of fire.
This is unlawful, sir.
212 clear. Give me another unit over here.
Because I'm telling you, if it was something else, in the event they're spreading music, we could complain too, right?
That's absolutely right. Need to see your ID.
Would they be arrested if they didn't show you their ID?
What are you going to complain on?
That it's too loud. We don't like it.
Who's too loud?
I'm just saying, in the instance, if somebody's playing music, or we can.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
It's the same thing. All right, you have my ID.
I'll be right back with you.
Be ye separate, says the Lord.
Sir, I need to see your ID.
Sir, I'm not doing anything unlawful.
Actually, you're standing in a public roadway.
No, actually, so...
The police, instead of protecting free speech, harassed a preacher for using a megaphone. Was it truly about noise or silencing his message? Demanding Idaho without cause and threatening arrest reeks of intimidation. Should public servants violate constitutional rights so easily?
Because we can take this.
Good, I do too.
That's fine. We're not doing nothing illegal, sir. We're not doing nothing illegal. What you're doing is unlawful. You're violating our freedom of speech. You're violating our freedom of speech, sir. All right?
Thank you very much. Come on, stand over here with him.
You're being used by the devil right now. You're wicked, sir.
Well, what if I tell you I don't believe in God?
Well, you're gonna go to hell.
Good.
You're gonna burn in hell.
Join me, won't you?
That's why you're being used by the enemy right now.
Yep.
If you don't believe in God and you die in your sins, man, you're gonna go to hell, man. And Jesus died for you, man. He cares about you. You know that? He loves you so much, man.
Texas
He loves you so much, man. He cares
34678804.
about
Aaron
you so, man.
Urbanski.
He cares about you, man. He died for your sins, man. You're 30 and he rose again on the third day. Do you believe the gospel?
Hang on a second, please.
Do you believe the gospel, sir?
Texas 44002893 Leonard Gaffney.
See, if this wasn't real, you wouldn't see the spiritual warfare right here.
I don't have any idea where you can park. I'm dealing with something else over here.
The truth is not being told inside this lukewarm congregation. This is a lukewarm congregation right here.
Hey, shut up.
Jesus Christ is coming back with vengeance.
I'm fixing to put you in jail on a noise ordinance violation.
Jesus Christ is coming back to destroy sinners.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
You can't arrest him just for speaking.
Really?
Use my freedom of speech.
Absolutely, I can. I got a noise ordinance complaint.
I'm using my freedom of speech, sir.
Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
I'm using my freedom of speech.
Turn around, place your hands behind your
So
back.
you arrested me for using my freedom of speech?
I got a noise ordinance complaint.
So you're going to arrest me for using my freedom of speech, sir?
I'm about to.
I got it all on camera. Hey, just take my
see this right here?
Yeah.
I got it right here, too.
Hey, go ahead and take my camera. You call Connie. Yeah, no. No, if he's going to arrest me using my freedom of speech, that's fine, man.
He wasn't finna arrest you.
No, I am fixing to arrest him. Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
Let me go ahead and get my camera,
unlawful,
man. Let me go ahead and get my camera.
That's unlawful, sir.
All right, turn around, place your hands behind your back.
That's fine, that's fine. That's fine. Go ahead and take a picture of it, too, then.
Nah, thank you.
Take a picture, man. Hey, I'm going to get my phone, man. Hey.
No, you're not going to give anybody anything.
I'm going to get my phone. Get my phone.
The police wrongly claimed the preacher was trespassing, ignoring that he stood on a public easement, land meant for public use. Their flawed understanding of property lines led to an unjust confrontation. How can law enforcement enforce laws they clearly misunderstand?
In a minute. In a minute. In a minute.
He's arresting me for using my freedom of speech on a public sidewalk.
Well, it's a noise ordinance violation. That's the problem.
This is against the law right here. He just said he hates God. He doesn't believe in God. And he's arresting me? This is what's coming, sir, to America. Preaching the truth for Christians.
And this is
coming.
This is what's going to happen. You guys are not ready for the tribulation. Yeah. When we get persecuted, the Christians are going to be outlawed. What are you going to do? You're going to fight for your life? You're going to try to save your family?
Hey, Mike, go ahead and take this.
Woe unto you.
The officers' failure to properly explain the noise ordinance highlights their lack of professionalism and accountability. Instead of citing specific decibel limits or lawful conditions, they vaguely claimed a violation, undermining transparency. Their inability or unwillingness to provide clear legal justification suggests either incompetence or deliberate disregard for constitutional rights.
Gonna be ready.
Who do you want to give your phone to?
To him right there. Hey, Lenny.
This is what's gonna happen.
Can you take the phone? Yeah, the phone's 55600. Go ahead.
This is sad. Oh, none of you feel Christian.
You got it.
What would you do?
If I didn't break no law, man, he's arrested.
You're arresting a servant of the Lord.
I wasn't even using amplification. I'm using my voice. You can't use that pretty much too.
Well, see, here's the thing. After I told you to stop because I had a noise ordinance violation,
you need ordinance number.
I don't need to give you an ordinance number. But that's yours.
Go ahead, Danny.
That's mine.
That's yours? Okay.
Go ahead, Danny. Get a picture, man. Cleveland police, man. Cleveland police arresting for preaching the truth, man.
So here's the deal. Like I told you when I first got here, I had a noise ordinance violation complaint. You were actually on that megaphone when I got here, okay? I've told you to quit. You got off of it. That's why you're not going to jail. See, he kept going. That's why he's going to jail.
I wasn't on the megaphone, sir. I wasn't on the megaphone.
But
This guy kept yelling.
The officer unjustly escalated the situation by threatening arrest over a questionable noise ordinance violation, ignoring First Amendment protections. The preacher was arrested simply for exercising free speech. This blatant overreach was further compounded by a criminal trespass warning, effectively silencing him. Such actions undermine constitutional rights and set a dangerous precedent.
This guy kept yelling after I told him to stop. That's why he's going to jail on a noise ordinance violation right now. Okay? I've asked you to stop and you did. At this point, they've asked you to leave the property.
This isn't their property though, sir. There has to be an easement. This is our freedom of speech right here. This is our First Amendment to exercise our freedom of speech on a public sidewalk. If there's not a sidewalk, there's even where the utility line is. You're doing something unlawful right now because you hate God, because you don't believe in God, sir.
Is that why?
Yeah, that's what you said. What if you don't believe in God? This is.
I asked him.
Okay.
All right. Let's go to my car over here.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and take mine. That's fine. This is wicked. Lukewarm Christianity. Lying lips are abomination of God. This is an abomination right here.
Slide in. Let's find out if the.
My keys too.
We'll find out if the congregation wants a criminal trespass warning issued.
Sir, I wasn't on their property.
Actually, you were.
No, I was not.
See, criminal trespass warning only deals with curbs and stuff like that. We don't deal with any of the...
Yeah, but I was not on their property,
You
sir.
actually were.
No, I was not, sir.
I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to tell you were.
That's right. You know what? The Lord is my shepherd.
Slide over this way just a little bit. Yeah. I didn't run this guy in the gray.
Preaching repentance? No, you're not.
Yeah, and also find out if we want a criminal trespass warning issued.
You want a criminal trespass warning issue? To me, this is church property. I don't see any sidewalk.
Well,
yeah.
If the curb gets tore up, we're the ones that got to fix it and pay for it. So,
How far do they come?
Andy was out here with them too. Right here, he was following her over here.
This arrest raises serious concerns about constitutional violations. The First Amendment guarantees free speech, yet officers silenced it unjustly. The noise ordinance justification appears flimsy. No clear limits, no decibel meter used. This seems less about law enforcement and more about suppressing voices. Such arbitrary policing undermines public trust in civil liberties.
Well, I'm going to let you know on video that you're being issued a criminal trespass warning. You are never allowed to set foot on this property over here again at any point in time again in the future. If you do, you'll be arrested on the spot. Do you understand that? Actually, you were. Well, I'm not going to argue that point with you. Come on.
Go ahead.
En route to the LEC, 3254 is beginning.
10-4. P15, your subject last name. Thornton has a good deal, please.
legal perspective, the actions of the police officers raise serious questions about the abuse of power. The First Amendment guarantees individuals the right to freely express their beliefs without government interference. This includes the right to preach on a public sidewalk as long as the speech does not incite imminent lawless action. The police officers violated this right by arresting the preacher based on an unclear and an overly broad application of the noise ordinance in Texas. The noise ordinance is covered under the Texas Penal Code, Chapter 42.01, which addresses disorderly conduct. It specifies that an individual may be penalized for making unreasonable noise in public places, but it also mandates that this noise must exceed reasonable limits. Officers cannot arrest someone for making noise unless it causes a clear and specific disruption, and in this case, the officers failed to meet these criteria. Additionally, the officers' threats of criminal trespassing were unfounded. Criminal trespass laws in Texas, Chapter 30, Section 30.05, apply to individuals who enter or remain on private property without permission. However, the preachers were on a public easement, not private property, making the trespass warning legally invalid. Witness a calm assertion of rights met with escalating police actions, revealing troubling questions about authority and boundaries. The man calmly questions the officer's actions during the stop, asserting his rights. The police escalated without clear cause, demanding a vehicle scan. It's troubling how they disregard constitutional rights. Intensifying the conflict, why do law enforcement officers often overstep their bounds?
She's parking lot when there's coming traffic time I ain't make a complete stop. Why when I make a complete stop when there's oncoming traffic? That just sounds stupid. He pulled in the lot the whole time watching me.
We're gonna do a scan of the vehicle, so if you don't mind, just step out of the vehicle.
What for what? Have I been suspected of committing a crime?
We can scan any vehicle we want as long as.
But have I suspected of committing a crime?
For a legal reason. So
that's a traffic stop. That's a traffic issue.
Do me a favor,
write me a ticket so I can go by my way. I'm not stepping out the vehicle, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do absolutely nothing.
The officer's actions blatantly violate the Fourth Amendment, disregarding citizens' rights to be free from unreasonable searches. It's alarming to see their arrogance, believing they can scan any vehicle without cause. This mindset reeks of entitlement, ignoring the legal protections meant to keep us safe from unwarranted authority. How is this still acceptable in a society that values
civil liberties? If you pull me out this vehicle, I'm gonna file a lawsuit, bro. You violate my rights.
If you don't step out, I will
I'm telling you. Well, you're gonna have to take me out. I'm not legally getting out my vehicle when I haven't done anything wrong. Absolutely nothing. I was pulled over the other morning going to work for my headlight, right? I fixed it. You want to check it? I fixed it. If you can pull that up, I fixed the headlight. I just came from my house, get gas, got me a soda, got my oil change. I seen you pulling to the streets, eyeballing the car the whole time. I don't know why y'all keep pulling me over. I'm out here working because I'm in a union. That's why I got Mississippi tags. That's the whole reason you pulling me over. I drive the other car, you pull me over in it. You pull my old lady over in it.
All right, well, if you
it's just ridiculous.
If you step out, we're going to scan the car.
What you going to scan the car for? You can look and see there ain't nothing in the car.
Okay. Are you giving me consent to search the vehicle?
No, I'm not giving you nothing.
Okay, then step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not. Call your supervisor, man. Call your supervisor.
Step out of the
I want to speak to your supervisor, please. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. I'm telling you, pull me out the car. That's all I'm telling you. My people's work in McLean, Virginia. I'm telling you, you pull me out the car, you're making a big mistake.
Well, the issue is,
you're making a big mistake.
For a legal reason.
You stopped me because you said I pulled up. No, you didn't come to the car. You didn't come to the car and said, sir, you smell like alcohol, you smell like marijuana. None of that. None of that. You just go to your car telling me.
The man stands his ground, citing his constitutional rights against unlawful searches. His refusal highlights the growing fear of police overreach. It's troubling how quickly law enforcement disregards personal freedoms, deepening public mistrust. Why is peaceful dialogue so often replaced by force?
You pulling me over for a traffic stop, go to your car and then 10 police up like I'm supposed to be scared or something. I done been through this plenty in my life. I'm not stepping out of shit. I'm not stepping out of shit. That's my right, dude. You don't know you don't. I'm done talking. I'm done talking.
You gonna step out of the car now?
I'm not stepping out of shit.
No.
No.
Okay.
Give me your supervisor. Let me and him talk.
He's on the way.
All right, cool. Your sergeant, whoever's in charge, it's
If you
bullshit.
step out of the vehicle, this will
I'm
be
not
all
stepping out of
smooth.
shit. Once I step out of the vehicle, I lose my rights. I'm not
What
stupid.
rights? What rights would you
Whatever,
lose?
dude.
Obviously,
You're being
your
recorded.
rights.
We're being recorded,
You're more
so
than welcome to record me.
I know I am. That's my right too.
Okay.
So let me roll down the window for him, so he can see, he can smell. Everything's this is my work vehicle. You see my fishing poles? I like to fish.
We've been fishing.
I'm about to go buy me a soon.
We're in the wrong button, buddy.
Yeah, look in there. Ain't nothing in here but work shit, tools, fishing poles, a battery from my truck that I just sold, charge it up for this guy. That's it. I don't do nothing. Whatever y'all perception is, why y'all keep pulling me over, it's gonna stop. After today, it's gonna stop.
Following traffic rules.
I
and
follow
you
traffic
will stop
rules.
being pulled over.
Well, if I haven't followed traffic rules, check my driving record. Check my driving record. That tells you a lot if I haven't. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Y'all on 68 all day. So I follow my traffic rules, dude. So I have way more tickets. Y'all just for no reason. Which I'm with it because I need some money, free money. You want to give it to me? I'm gonna get it. So I don't need the money. I work for a living. No, you don't. No, you don't. I haven't did anything wrong, sir. I haven't did anything wrong. I let y'all slide on 68 when y'all pulled me and my little girl out of the car one night. I let y'all have that. That officer, he's no longer working with you guys. I let y'all have that. I let y'all have. I didn't fight, and I really had y'all to the left then, dead to the left. I didn't. My auntie told me you say, but I'm not getting out the car, man. I ain't did nothing. What you want me? Do I have a warrant?
Despite the legal missteps made by the officers, they eventually allow the man to go free without issuing a citation or finding any illegal activity in his vehicle. The man, however, signals his intention to pursue a lawsuit against the police department, reflecting the broader societal issue of police misconduct and the necessity for accountability in law enforcement.
All right then.
The reason we want
I ain't did nothing.
Listen to me.
I haven't did
Listen
nothing.
to me, and I'll explain.
I'm listening.
The reason we want you out of the vehicle is because it is their policy that the occupants of the vehicle have to be out of the vehicle while they do the canine scan.
What they doing the canine scan for?
Scan any vehicle.
For what? So why didn't the lady that pulled me over the other morning, why didn't she do the same process?
I have no idea. I wasn't there.
And my headlight was out, and I haven't done anything wrong. Anything.
Different officers.
How you went back there eyeballing me and go around the corner, you would have seen me.
MSP.
The dog ain't alert nothing. He came to the... They pulled me over for, this is an illegal stop, sir. If you're the sergeant or lieutenant. He said he pulled me over because I didn't stop coming out of Sheets, which is stupid. There's traffic coming. Why wouldn't I stop, sir? Why wouldn't I stop?
Do me a favor. Take the keys out of your
First of all, he pulled in looking at my vehicle while I'm pumping gas. Are you the sergeant?
If he stopped you for not stopping, then that's the problem cause for what we're doing.
This is a traffic stop. Why can't he just write me a ticket and I go by my way?
Because he has indicators that he wants to run a dog.
For what though? For what is the reason?
What do we typically run a dog around for?
Drugs? Okay, but he haven't said anything about drugs when he come to the car. He never said once he suspected me doing anything, sir.
Why is it necessary
Nothing.
for us to argue about this?
It's not
If you have nothing in
because if I'm telling you I haven't done anything wrong and he's saying that I have, it's his word against mine. I haven't done anything.
So then if you have nothing,
Absolutely
to worry
nothing.
about, you can let them do their job here and you can go about your business.
They can scan the car around. I'm not getting out though.
Once the dog alerts,
They get it ain't gonna alert. Well, that you just automatically saying the dog's gonna alert. That's what you're saying. You on camera.
I said if.
No, you're pretty much telling me that.
I said if the dog alerts, you
that's
get
like
out.
you're pretty much saying
What up?
you just telling me what you're gonna do. Whether or way, it don't matter what y'all do, man. There's nothing in the vehicle.
And the officer's blatant disregard for legal standards is an alarming abuse of power that undermines public trust. This unjustified overreach not only risks legal repercussions, but also deepens the community's fear and suspicion of law enforcement. Such actions are a disgrace and must be condemned as they perpetuate systemic harm.
There's nothing in the vehicle, so you're just gonna want to violate my rights. Go ahead and violate them. Yes, it is. You just gonna violate the right. You can open the back door and let them in if you want. You can open the door and let them in. They searching to put the K9 around the car, y'all. For what reason? I don't know. Didn't say anything about nothing when he pulled me over, but all of a sudden he wanted me out of my vehicle to search my car when I have done anything wrong. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is my work vehicle. I fish in it. I work on people's shit. I just got an oil change. Look, just got an oil change recent, just 10 minutes ago. And he gonna tell me I pull out of the sheets without stopping when there's coming traffic. What sense does that make? You tell me. This is America we living in, right?
Where you been fishing at? Anywhere good?
This is America. This is bullshit. Bullshit. They gonna violate me like this. Bullshit. I'm a taxpaying citizen. This is what we gotta deal with in America. It's bullshit. I shouldn't have to go through this. Shouldn't have to go through it. I didn't go to work because I was sick today. Went and got blood work and shit done. Got my oil changed, and now I have to deal with some stupid shit like this. Cumberland PD. No wonder they got the petition out on that bitch ass officer, whoever the is. There's gonna be some more. So lawsuit coming. Free money. By the way, sir, I've been fishing at Jennings, Randolph Lake. I catching some big ass bass. I'm about to go buy me a boat here shortly, as soon as y'all let me go. And that's how we doing. Yes, sir.
I'm the K9 guy.
Yep.
I just scanned the vehicle.
He alerted, didn't he?
No.
Yeah, because
The officer's actions in this case violate key principles of the U.S. Constitution, particularly the Fourth Amendment, which protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures. The Fourth Amendment specifies that searches must be based on probable cause, and no warrants should be issued without clear justification. The officer's decision to search the vehicle without reasonable suspicion of criminal activity breaches these protections. While cases like Pennsylvania v. Mims allow officers to order a driver out of a vehicle during the stop, the real issue here is whether the vehicle search and the escalation of the stop were justified. Under Terry, the Ohio police can detain and search briefly for safety, but such actions must be reasonable and based on concrete facts, which was not evident in this case. The consequences for such violations may include internal disciplinary actions, civil rights lawsuits, and potential financial compensation for the individual whose rights were infringed. These violations can have serious legal and reputational repercussions for the officers involved. Experience a stark example of overreach and disregard for rights, exposing alarming concerns about power and accountability in policing. The officer's actions during the stop are deeply troubling, with clear overreach and a disregard for the driver's rights. Failure to provide legal justification or clarity only exacerbates the situation. It raises serious concerns about police misconduct and the abuse of power. How can officers act so recklessly without accountability?
Okay.
So,
driver's license and registration, please.
You're lying. But you're pulling him over, right?
You and him both.
You just told me you were pulling him over, so.
Yeah, well, he was going 87, you were going 85.
No,
Since you
I got
don't
my
wanna do
cruise
what
on.
I tell you to.
I got my cruise
give
on.
me your driver's license and your registration and insurance.
Well, you got to give me a minute for the registration, but here's my license. And you realize that, how can you see my speed when he's right in front of me?
You're following him. So here's what I did. I hit my front radar on him. He was going 87. As soon as he passed, it went to 85 on you. I'd never stopped the radar. That's the way it is.
Do you have a printout of that?
Now,
or
when I make a
that
traffic stop, if you do as I say by pointing to the front of him,
as you
by
say,
being behind
is that
me,
lawful?
I'm trying to make
is
sure
that
I
lawful
have.
order?
Yeah, it is, because it's
that?
officer safety. You're obstructing my traffic stop.
Officer safety is not a law.
So I want you to pull the front of him so that you're not behind me.
Quote me the
so
code
that I
for
can
that.
make sure that I.
Can you quote me the law for that? The code?
I'm not going to pull you the law for that.
Then there is no law for that.
Order. It is a lawful order.
There's got to be a code for it.
Stop.
There has to be a code for it. For officer safety, there is no code.
I don't care.
Just like there's no code for public safety.
Why is it
What's
that
the
you
problem?
won't do what I tell you to?
I'm with him, okay? It's not safe for me to just pull up ahead when
I don't exactly go to the front of
I'm
people's
already
vehicles
pulled
because
over.
if you had a gun or something like that, you could always.
What are you so scared of?
What do you mean, what am I scared of? That's the way we maintain our
You think
officer
everybody's
safety.
out to get you?
That is the way we maintain
Why do
our
you guys
officer
always
safety.
think-
I don't know who you are. I don't know
Your
where you're coming
officer
from.
safety issue is ridiculous. You realize that? You guys have like one
You're
of the
ridiculous because you
least
just won't
dangerous
cooperate.
jobs.
You just won't cooperate.
I don't have to cooperate because you didn't pull me over. You pulled him over.
Where's your registration and insurance?
It's a work truck, so you're gonna bear with me here.
The officer claims the drivers were speeding, but one denies it, asserting they were on cruise control. The lack of immediate evidence, like a radar printout, exposes a major flaw in police protocol. How can anyone trust an officer's word when no proof is provided? It's frustrating to see such a lack of accountability in law enforcement.
I don't know why you gotta get so mad about it. It's really, it's just, I'm with him. We're on a road trip delivering these 2 trucks, so what's the problem with me just sitting back here waiting for you to do your
What's the problem
job?
with me asking you to pull to the front with him?
It's not, it's really, it's not safe for me to do that.
You just don't want to do it.
When I'm already pulled over.
That's the issue. You just don't want to
No,
do what I
because
asked
it's ridiculous. There's no reason for it. When I'm already pulled over.
You're
I
mad
mean,
because you
are
are
you that
pulled
scared?
over because I pulled your friend over.
No,
That's
you're
why
mad because you gotta be, you think you need to be scared when you're the
I'm
one with the
not
guns.
Scared. That is how we maintain our officers' safety. If I do all my traffic stops in every different way possible.
Officer safety is officer cowardice.
Is it officer cowardice?
Yes, it is.
Have you
Because
ever been trained as a police officer?
My job is more dangerous than your job.
Is it?
Yes, I
Well,
climb
I don't even
towers.
know who you are or what you do. So
I climb
how
cell
could I
towers.
even verify that?
Where's
your registration and insurance?
I don't know. You're gonna have to give me some time. It's a work truck, so it's not my personal truck. There's registration. There's the insurance.
Stand by.
The officer demands the vehicle move for officer safety, but fails to provide any legal basis. It's troubling when authority is used without justification, leaving the driver questioning the order. This lack of clarity undermines trust in law enforcement procedures. How can such actions be justified without a clear citation?
He's like, I think he can see my camera because he's like ducking just out of view. Yeah, but then they probably think I'm gonna try and run into him. So probably not a good idea to do that. No sound on it though, right? Yeah. I don't think there is. This is ridiculous. Watch what happens if he tries to tell me I'm on private property trespassing. There has to be a complainant and someone that told me to leave. You got a supervisor?
The officer's actions may be considered unlawful. The officer's demand to move the vehicle ahead, despite the driver being safely pulled over, lacks a clear legal basis. The law is not explicit on requiring a driver to move to the front of the stopped vehicle, and the officer's insistence on doing so seems to be an arbitrary exercise of authority.
Do you? Hey, actually, is your body cam rolling?
Body camera is on.
Okay, what's your badge number and your name?
I'll give that all to you
I need
on
it
a
from
card.
you. No, you can verbalize it.
I'm gonna give it to you.
It's the law. You're supposed to verbalize it.
I'm gonna give it.
Can
I'm
you
gonna give
verbally
you all I have to
identify
do is
yourself?
provide it to you. That's
Verbally.
all I have to do.
Verbally.
I'm gonna explain your citation
Someone
to
that
you.
has vision problems
Is your violation?
is
Do
the
you have
reason
vision problems?
why. Anybody that has vision problems is the reason why you're supposed to verbally identify.
Do you have vision
it.
problems?
It doesn't matter if I do or not.
Okay.
It's for anybody.
Well, I don't know about that.
You know
but
that.
Anyway,
Yes,
I'm gonna
you
give
do.
you this. Your violation's there. That's your total.
What's the
Willows
violation?
Justice Court. Your violation is for speed.
Oh,
We're going
what?
85 and a 70.
Huh.
I'm gonna give you a violation citation for
Okay, what's your
80
name?
and a 70.
What's your name and badge
Be
number?
right down here.
What's your name and badge number? Are you
right
going to
down
fail to
here.
identify?
I'm not going to fail to identify.
So identify.
I'm providing you the information.
Identify,
to you.
please. Verbally.
Email the Wells Justice Court. The phone number's right there. And
Verbally identify, please.
I gave it till this day.
Otherwise, you're not a cop. If you don't verbally identify, you're not a
I gave
cop.
your options and your instructions on how to pay out a contest. Whichever you choose. My information is
Who's your
down here.
supervising officer?
Huh?
Who's your
My
supervisor?
information is down here. I'm providing that information to you.
Who's your
There's
supervisor?
information. Have a safe day.
Yeah. Who's your supervisor, asshole? Who's your supervisor? And you didn't verbally identify. Assholes. Watch this.
The failure to provide proper documentation, such as a radar printout to substantiate the speeding claim, violates basic procedural rules that protect citizens from wrongful accusations and penalties. This lack of transparency and failure to produce legitimate evidence undermines the credibility of the traffic stop and opens the door for legal challenges.
What's your name and badge number? I need you guys to verbally identify. We're not going to play these stupid games. Either that or give me your card. Both of you. And it's not a request, it's a demand. I need your name and badge number or your card. That's your job. You guys just not like following the law? You're out here trying to enforce laws and you're not even going to follow the law yourself? You're not following the law. You're not verbally identifying yourselves. By not doing that, you're not cops. You realize that? Not verbally. Yes, it's a huge problem in this whole country. You know that. Don't play dumb. Yes, you are playing dumb. Look at your condescending look. I'm not condescending. I'm demanding your ID. For anybody that might have vision problems. That's the reason for it. You know that. You guys gonna fail to ID, both of you? Then get. Okay. What's your badge number?
371.
Thank you. How about you? Sorry? Boyer? Boyer? And what was the number again? 443? Okay, why was that so hard? I didn't have to. No, I didn't.
The officer's discomfort with being recorded is deeply concerning as it raises questions about their actions and transparency. Their attempt to hide from the camera reflects a lack of accountability, which is unacceptable in any law enforcement interaction. This behavior undermines public trust and accountability, showing a disregard
Was it a
for
lawful
citizens'
order?
rights.
If it was, quote me the law. Quote me the law. Quote me the law. You didn't pull me over, you pulled him over. No, it's not. Obstructing is a physical act. A physical act, not verbal. Don't play dumb. Really, you can let go of your ego. It makes things run a lot smoother. If you're courteous, I'll be courteous back to you. If you're an asshole, I'm gonna be an asshole right back to you. There ain't no law against that, and you know it. That's the First Amendment. You guys got a supervisor? What's his name?
Supervisor's name and phone number right there.
Okay, can you, how long would it take him to get here?
He's not working today.
Yeah, bullshit.
I guarantee it.
So
I can get you another supervisor that comes all the way
who's
from
your
Elko.
supervisor right now that is working?
He is my supervisor for this district.
Put his name
I can
on
get
there.
you another
Who is
sergeant
working right
from
now?
Elko. Can I talk?
Who's
I can
working
get you
right
another
now?
sergeant
Can
from
you answer the
Elko.
question? You're my servant. I'm not your servant. You understand that? That's how it works. That's how the
Give me
law
a second,
works.
I'm going to get you another one.
How about you just call him out here? Because this is ridiculous.
About an hour and a half.
An hour and a half? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that really? Wow, you guys are funny. You realize there's cops getting fired all over the country for this kind of shit. Losing your pensions, losing your job, even going to jail. Qualified immunity is going away. You realize that? I mean, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure isn't it already gone in Nevada? You guys are out here acting like you're the boss of the road, but you're not. You're public servants. Law enforcement.
During the traffic stop, several laws appear to have been violated or disregarded. Under this 484 D110 speed limits, the officers claim that the driver was speeding at 87 in the 70 Memphis zone lacked substantiation as he failed to provide a radar on towed, which is essential for enforcing speed limits. This omission could be seen as a violation of procedural fairness. Additionally, the officers' demand for the second vehicle to move forward as per this 171.123 detention and arrest was made without a clear legal basis. This request could be construed as an illegal detention obstructing the driver's right to remain stationary, particularly as no lawful arrest or citation had been issued. Furthermore, the officer's refusal to properly identify himself when repeatedly requested violates this 171.122 identification of officers, which requires law enforcement to provide identification upon request. This failure to comply with identification requirements undermines transparency and accountability in law enforcement. As citizens, it's our responsibility to understand our rights to protect ourselves from any misuse of authority. Transparency and accountability are not just ideals, they're necessities for creating a society where everyone feels safe and respected. Without these, trust between law enforcement and the public can erode, leaving justice at risk. What do you think about this situation? Drop your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more engaging and insightful content. Your support keeps these conversations alive. Thank you for being part of our community.